It's very quiet.
Don't take
And
that
it
too
doesn't mean that you
much,
cannot or you shouldn't be loud,
as you
but there is
see
something about you, your
the
energy that
frenzy
it's
of the
like
World
you
Cup
just know
and the
at the end
bird
of the day
eating
everything
has
always
started.
works out for you.
And you thought the
You may have your
Paraguay and
bad
the
days,
US
you
was
have your
good.
good days, but your best
Hold on to
days
your
are
seats
yet
because
to
the
come.
birds are just about to
And
start
that's
their
why I
version
feel like a lot of you things are starting to come
and this
towards your way
one
quite fast. Some of you
is
could
an early
also
girl.
receive a
They've just
job
stuck
offer.
there. They've
I know
just
this is
figured
a
it
love
out.
reading, but in the month of June there is a love offer
Who's going
coming
to take the
towards your
free
way.
hit?
There is a lot of self-love here, okay? You're embodying that very strong Leo energy here of loving
If you thought the
yourself, moving
Mexico
by the heart.
South
This
African
is the
one was
time
good,
here. Someone is coming towards your way.
then
Someone could be quitting drinking also.
the
You
birds
never
getting
see the
better
other
and
day.
better
So
because they've now got more
the Queen of
friction.
Cups is about love.
And as you can
Someone
tell,
who has
that's a
a
red
lot of love
card
to
to
offer. So
the
the King of
incomers. You're
Cups
not
here
allowed to
means
do
keep
that.
the real, be clarified
You'll
by
be
the
reffed
Ace of
out.
Cups,
That's the
Navigator's
bird
Cups,
saying,
but
no,
it's not the
afraid.
Judgment and the Page of Cups.
You're not allowed to do
It's
that.
taking a long
No.
time for this person. I
That's
feel
the
like I saw
bird
this
saying,
in
I'm afraid.
another
That's a
sign.
red
I don't
card.
know if it was for Scorpio, but someone here in Scorpio's reading, I don't know. Someone here is choosing to
This
walk
could
away
be
from a
even a deep
very
fail there.
shaky
Yeah, I'm afraid that's
situation,
another fail.
and this
That's
could be your
two
person
fails.
disconnecting from a third party. Because I feel like that this person that
He's not
either
allowed in
they
there.
left you, and the third party could be addiction, could be a person. They left you for something that they later realized it was not working at all. And they
That's
know
three fails actually,
energetically
if
that
we're
you're
really
actually
honest.
in the process of moving on
There's
and
plenty around, and
disconnecting.
I'm afraid
And you're in the place of like
it's
sending them love. There is
Scobble's
a lot of
three.
memories, but that's why they're showing up with an offer.
Getting
For
away with it
many of
now.
you also, this person is going to confess that they feel like if they never made an offer, if they never made that final step to come towards your way again,